Look, I'm going to show you how to protect your vehicle for just £3.50 per coating. It's going to last 3 to 6 months. It's going to give you insane water beading, a super high gloss shine. It's going to protect your vehicle from dirt, bird fouling, UV and acid rain. The product is so easy to apply. We're just going to give it a few squirts onto the cloth. And all we're going to do is buff it onto the surface. Nice and easy does it. Make sure we're getting everywhere. As you can see, it goes a hell of a long way. And once I've got that coating on like that, all I'm going to do is take my other cloth and I'm simply going to buff the excess off. Again, nice and easy. And I can feel it under the cloth going so smooth and slippery. And as you can see, it's taking absolutely no time at all. And that is that done. Now just look at the difference between the silk coated side and the uncoated side. So the coated side just absolutely falls off the surface. On the uncoated side, we just get this kind of pooling effect with the water. Whereas here, we're just running off, leaving our surface nice and dry. So you can see the protection that the silk product gives you. So easy to apply, hardly any product used. As we said, £3.50 for one coating on your whole car, lasting 3 to 6 months.